Did a software update break the Cygwin library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get your specialized tools running again. Before starting the detailed Cygwin library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This DLL file is a legacy component of the Cygwin environment. It provides a Linux-like API layer for older 32-bit Windows systems, allowing Unix-based command line utilities and software to run without major code modifications. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. To resolve this, keep in mind that the Cygwin library DLL is typically installed with Cygwin. Reinstalling the latest version of Cygwin from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Cygwin library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. The version of the Cygwin library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the Cygwin library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve the Cygwin library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.